Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Allie and today I'm in my kitchen. I'm in my kitchen because I'm gonna teach you guys how to make some fudge. Fudge is so simple to make. You can make it for your friends, your family, some parties, just any occasion. It's delicious and I personally love making it. It's simple and you can make it too. Let's do it. For ingredients, you will need mini marshmallows, Nestle chocolate chips, any chocolate chips will do, condensed milk, vanilla, and butter. And for the materials, you will need aluminum tin, some aluminum foil, measuring cups, measuring spoons, spatula, can opener, scissors, and a pot. First and foremost, take your aluminum foil and do an outline of your aluminum tin. Simple as that. So it's supposed to look like this. This is for the when it's all said and done, it could easily come in, and when it's all hardened, you just pop it right out and you can serve. Now we're at my stove. So we have to heat our pot. That makes it nice and hot. While this is heating up, you add 2 tablespoons of butter. So I put my heat to 4 and it will melt really fast. So while the butter is melting, shake up your condensed milk. This will make it creamy. It tastes really good. And this makes it very, very sweet. So once the butter's almost melted and this is all shaken up, you add 1.5 cups of sugar. So I have 1 cup here. Doesn't have to be perfect, but here's the 1 cup of sugar. Put that in. And then here's the 1/2 cup. And here's the 1/2. And so this is how much sugar you should have. So this recipe calls for 5 ounces of condensed milk. Yeah, this is 14. So for this, I'm gonna do 1/2 cup and 2 tablespoons. Hopefully that will work. So now that the milk's in, you just stir it till it makes it bubbly. Be sure to keep mixing it so it doesn't stick. Now I've got the pot over because it's looking really hot and it's starting to bubble. And now we add the chocolate, marshmallow, and the vanilla. So for the chocolate, entire thing. For marshmallows, 1.5 cups. For vanilla, you need 1 teaspoon. and then you just mix it all together. Remember this? With this, you dump it right in. And you smear it around. Smear, I usually use a regular kitchen. So when you're done putting the fudge out to each corner, make it even and looks nice, you cover it with aluminum foil and you pop it in the fridge for about 2 hours to make it solidified and be ready to serve. So you cut into little chunks with a knife just like this, and you'll end up with fudge like this. Thank you so much for watching my first ever tutorial on how to make fudge. It was so easy to make, and you guys can make it too. I highly recommend it. If you liked this video, please give it a big like and subscribe to my YouTube channel or click my face right over here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.